Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you must-have free of cost PDF editor for editing existing text in Android, iOS, Windows and Mac OS. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you on the Raspberry computer. So if you're using a Mac computer also, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, just open any web browser and Google search for one application name as PDF Gear. And the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now it will auto detect your operating system. So below you will see here different operating system: Windows, Mac OS, iOS and Android. So here I'm gonna download for the Windows version. So just click on this free download. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run the software installer. Click on OK, click on next, click on accept the agreement, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. You can see this kind of user interface. So you will get here tons of options. So I'm not gonna discuss all the options it's gonna provide, so you can check out by yourself. So here I will directly focus on the topic. So on the left side you can see open file, or you can just directly drag and drop here also. So now you can see the user interface of the software. So in order to edit the existing text present in the video file, what you need to do is on the above you will see your edit option. Just click on it. Now you can see here edit text. Just click on it. I will see here all the text present in the respective PDF file are editable. Now you can just double left click on the respective text or word. Now once you see this blinking cursor appearing, now you can just hit a backspace or delete to delete, or if you want to add, then just type the text that you want to add here, everything, and you can just place it anywhere also depending upon your needs, wherever you want to place. So once you're done with your editing, on the left top corner you will see a save option. You can either click on the save to replace the original PDF file, or you can just click on the save as and you can give any name and you can just save a copy. And once you're done, you can click on this exit editing. So this is how you can do on your Raspberry computer. Now let's jump to the Raspberry smartphone. So now on your Raspberry Android or iOS smartphone, just open the Play Store or the App Store and just search for one application named as PDF Gear. On the first list you'll see the application. Just click on it, click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening you will see this kind of user interface. So now you can click on these files and select the respective PDF file which you want to edit. So now you can see here. Now just click on this edit, click on this arrow icons. Now you'll see here edit option. Just click on it. Now just double tap on the respective text. So once you see this blinking text cursor, you can remove or add. So once you're done with your editing, you can just click on this done option, and after that just click on these three dot icons and click on this save as, and you can give a file name and you can click on save, then it will get saved. So in my opinion, it's a must-have free of cost PDF editor for editing existing text in Android, iOS, Windows and Mac OS. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.